Hi guys, welcome to our podcast. Today, let's travel back on how modern Filipino author or literary movement would interpret or respond on today's current issue. So let's talk about Emilio Jacinto and his literary works during the Philippine Revolution. So, Axel, for you, what makes the author or literary work significant in modern era of Philippine literature?
For me, Emilio Jacinto Cartilla na Katipunan remains significant in modern Filipino literature for its enduring relevance to the country's ongoing struggle for social justice and national identity.
Um, sa akin, ah, as alam mo si Emilio Jacinto, siyang utak ng Philippine Revolution. Ikaw, Joseph.
And for me naman si Emilio Jacinto kasi malaki yung ginamparan niya kasi siya yung nagsulat ng maraming articles and poems that advocating for Philippines independence and also inspiring the Filipino people to fight for their freedom. Yun lang naman.
So, may tanong ako para kay Elijah. What makes this author or literary work significant in the modern era of Philippine literature?
Emilio Jacinto and his work can be important or to have influence in today's modern era here in the Philippines.
Mm,
Next question, guys.
so, ikaw ba? Meron ka bang sagot?
Wala na.
So,
So,
Proceed tayo. Question
Eli,
number
may
3.
tanong ka ba, Eli?
okay. Let's proceed to the next question. Why do you choose this 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 author or work for your time travel scenario?
For me, Jacinto unwavering commitment to Filipino independence and his insightful understanding for societal dynamics make him ideal choice for a time travel scenario.
And para sa akin din kaya pinili ko tong na to kasi Jacinto contribute to the Philippines Revolution were essential in mobilizing the Filipino people and shaping the early stage of the fight for independence.
Kaya ako napili si Emilio Jacinto. Kasi nagulat ako. Assistant pala siya ni Andres Bonifacio.
Oh, really?
Wow!
Hindi yun.
Wow!
So, na-curious ako. Kaya ako siya pinili. So,
Okay, okay.
ikaw ba, Eli? Hindi ka ba, ah, wala ka bang sagot kung bakit mo siya pinili?
Uh, Kaya ko pinili siya kasi dami ang literary works na maganda na nakaka ano, full na magandang lesson.
Okay.
So, may isa pa akong tanong. So, how do you think the author or their characters will react with today's major social, political, or cultural issues? Paano ba natin
Ako,
masasagot yun?
ako para sa akin, magugulat sila eh.
Mm,
Kasi ibang-iba na ngayon kumpara sa panahon nila talaga eh. Lalo ngayon nagkakagulo-gulo yung issue ngayon.
oo.
Para sa akin naman, for me, he will be particularly concerned by the widening gap between the rich and poor, the erosion of democratic institution, and the rise of disinformation. How about you, Elijah?
Sa akin, political issues talaga ang problema kasi magugold siya na puro corruption na yan.
Totoo.
Sure,
Tsaka
sure.
parang no, parang iba na rin kasi mas damang na ngayon yung parang sinasakop na rin kasi tayo eh. Sayang yung pinaglaban nila.
Kaya nga.
Kaya,
Game,
Tama,
game.
namumula nga ako ngayon eh. Oh.
Okay, naka-record na to, naka-record.
Okay, okay, game, game, game.
Game na tayo.
5 question.
So, ikaw, Lai, number 5. Tanong ka na naman. Mataas tang tanong dyan.
Ah, s- um, yung sa number 5, yung si do ano, pipiliin niya is about political issues. Kasi nga, yung sa corruption niya.
Mm,
For
eh,
me, for me, question to number 5. Emilio Jacinto, staunch advocate for social justice and national liberation would likely be vote, inspired and disheartened by the complexities of contemporary Philippine society. How about you, Gio Alibudbud?
um, what would be the issue?
Yeah, yeah,
Unless your chosen authority. Number 5
yeah,
ba?
yeah.
Um,
Kung ano, kalayaan.
Oh, tama, tama. Para sa akin, ang tanong ko sa kanya is, ano yung solution niya on today's political issue? Because corruption is na ano, hindi natatapos dito sa bansa natin.
Okay,
So,
next question.
Okay, next question. Alibudbud.
uh, so, number 8 tayo, no? Number 8 na ako tayo. So, would the author perspective on the Philippine be the same in 2024? How would my writing reflect or critique the change in society over time? So,
For
ikaw, Asa.
me, ah,
Ikaw, Asa.
ako na.
Sige.
For me, Jacinto perfect perspective would likely involve reflecting his keen observation of social shift, and while his core value of social justice and national liberation will remain steadfast in understanding of the complexities of modern world undoubtedly given.
So, wala na bang ibang sagot? So,
Next question.
last question. Last
Okay,
question.
last question.
Last question. How can we apply lessons from their author works to the challenges we face today? Ano ba yung ma-apply nating lesson?
Para sa akin, siguro yung pagiging pagkakaisa talaga nila nung mga panahon talaga na yun. Tingin ko kailangan talaga natin maging lesson yun para may apply sa panahon ngayon.
Ikaw, Asa. Ay, sige, si Eli.
For
Si
me,
Eli. Si Eli.
Uh,
like,
Si Eli.
um, ang pag-apply dito sa lesson sa atin is we can contribute to build more just, equitable, and unified society, both national and globally. His legacy serves as a powerful reminder that individual actions driven by moral integrity can have a profound impact on the world.
you're done. For me, his emphasis on unity and collective action, particularly in the face of injustice, is a powerful reminder of the importance of working together to address issues like poverty, corruption, and inequality. That's it.
Yun. Yun lang.
Okay?
Nagulat ako sa mga sagot nyo. Talagang sobrang gulat ko. Wala akong maisagot. So, goods na ba tayo?
Siguro,
Hanggang
Ayos.
Ayos na, walang ano.
Ayos naman, ayos.
Hanggang sa muli.
Paalam, guys.
Paalam.
Paalam.